teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, very good. Now we are going to have our speaking test, and let's start with the first part. Okay? You tell me the difference between picture one and picture two. Okay?
In picture one is is cinema.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
In front of.
in front of top picture,
Okay, in
but
picture two.
but in picture two is bus station.
In front
In
of.
front of picture.
Very good. Next.
In picture one, the bus uh,
Is.
is the
What is the color?
is red.
Okay, red. And in picture two,
In picture two,
the
the
tractor
the structure
is
is yellow.
yellow. Okay. This one. In
The
picture one.
in picture one is circus.
Mm-hmm.
Cut um, it be
Next to.
next to the cinema.
Okay. In picture two.
In picture two is fun for
Funfair.
fun fair
Next to.
next to the bus station.
Very good.
The sporting in picture
One.
one is supermarket. It
Mm-hmm.
uh,
In front of.
in front of it library.
Okay.
But in picture two, the sporting the it uh, in front
Of.
for of it a library.
Okay. Okay, very good. Now let's have the second part, Ken. You tell me which one is different. Okay, let's have number one. It's
It a scarf
very good. And
pasta,
pasta
cheese,
and
salad,
okay, they are
foods.
very good. Number two. It's
It a penguin.
yeah, penguin is
It an animal.
animal. Very good. And the three.
People.
Okay. This is what part of the body? Shows.
So
Okay, this one is
it a park
back,
neck.
neck. Very good. Okay, number three. It's
It a town.
town. Very good. Okay, what do you call the three?
Farmer.
Farmer,
Cook.
cook, and
Sing a song.
okay, they are jobs.
Job.
Okay, number four.
It a doctor.
Mm. Okay, this one is
Forest.
uh-huh.
River.
Mm.
uh,
Island.
Island.
Yeah, they are. Are they places? Yes. Okay, very good, Ken. That ends our test. See you around.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.